Now let's see how to drive unipolar stepper motor using full drive step sequence. In this mode, two electromagnets are energized at a time. So the torque generated will be larger when compared to wave drive. In this mode, the power consumption is higher than any other modes. As you can see in this step sequence, at a time we are passing logic 1 to 2 pins. So let's see what will happen if we passed first step sequence 1 1 0 0. So in this case, this terminal will get logic 1, this terminal 0, this terminal logic 1 and this terminal logic 0. So as you can see, once we are passing logic 0 to this terminal, this half of winding will conduct and it will create south and north pole. Similarly, since we are passing logic 0 to this terminal, this half of winding will conduct and again it will create south and north pole. If you remember, in wave drive mode only one coil was getting activated. Here two coils at a time are getting activated. Now let's pass second step sequence. Two half of coils are activated at a time. Through animation, let's try to understand how the step sequence will energize coils and it will rotate stepper motor. Let's once again observe. So now I hope you understood how full wave drive mode works. Now let's see how to write code for this. Again, it's very simple. Just what you have to do is you have to pass this step sequence in one infinite loop with some delay in it. Okay, so here we are passing the value 0C, then 06H, then 03H and then 09H. Similarly, while writing C language code, you have to pass the same values to port P2. Okay. Now let's do some hands-on session. I have already created one project for you with assembly language and C language and Proteus file. So we will see quickly how stepper motor will work. Okay, I will pass the hex file. Of full drive mode. Okay, so now here you can see the unipolar stepper motor is rotating in clockwise direction, and you can see at a time two coils are getting logic 0. The blue color means logic 0 and red color means logic 1. So here you can observe in full drive mode two coils are getting activated at a time. Hence, the torque produced by such kind of step sequence is very high as compared to wave drive mode. But at the same time, it consumes more power.